Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Moomoo account to TradingView in just a few simple steps. Start by heading to TradingView.com. From there, sign into your account, or create one if you don't already have it. You can do this from the top right corner. Once you're logged in, move your cursor over Products and select Super Charts to open the main charting interface. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and click on Trading Panel. You can expand this panel by dragging it upward or by clicking Maximize Panel to make it easier to see. Inside the Trading Panel, you'll find a list of supported brokers. If you don't see Moomoo right away, click All Brokers and scroll down until you find it. Select Moomoo, then click Connect. You'll be redirected to the Moomoo login page, where you'll sign in using your email, user ID, or phone number, followed by your password. Once that's done, return to TradingView, restore the panel if needed, and you'll be ready to start trading with Moomoo directly on TradingView charts. That's it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update here on One More Guru.